Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video, I'm going to discuss about the strategy that is stocks, which is 45-degree move. So a lot of questions and comments. Those who are my subscribers who are asking about my YouTube, and also they are contacted through my WhatsApp, that I am going to discuss in this video. So if you are new, kindly subscribe and support our channel. And let me discuss about the 45-degree stocks. So it was keep on going up, up, up. So from how to trade. So everyone was asking when to take a trade, where I can put a stop loss, whether which stocks I'm going to stake. So these are the questions those who are asking on my Telegram and YouTube. So let I show you. So these are the stocks which is we find out based on the 45-degree stocks. So let me check it out. Bajaj Finance. Yesterday also I tried to buy a Bajaj Finance, but after sometimes later I'm not buying it and I ignored it. But after that it moves well. So let's look at this in a 15-minute chart. So the first candle, it has started big up, and after that it is a very flat move. After it is a very flat move and then it bounces back. So what we are thinking, the 45-degree stock from the opening, it is going up and up. So that is what the key concept where we are taking the scanner, or we are creating the scanner. Let's look at this move, but meanwhile it coming down and it went up. So here the concept, so this stock, what the buyer initiated trade average quantity is greater than the sellers initiated trades average quantity. So we have another scanner also. So there we have to buy buyers initiated trades and sellers initiated trade. Everything we map and everything we are considered. So here the stock opens at a open low, and it is the buying power is higher than the selling power. That is what the key concept where here we find out this stock. Even let's look at this. Whenever you want to take a trade at, for example, if I'm going to focus at 9:30. So at 9:30, if I'm seeing this is the list of stocks. So if I'm finding out some 4-5 stocks in the top, so you must trade on the top stocks. Even whenever you can take a even 9:20 or 9:25, it's according to your cost. So if you are taking some 5 stocks, you have to place the orders very quickly, right? For 3-4 stocks. So even yesterday also we made one post on our Telegram channel. That's about one of my student and my YouTube follower who made some 5,000 rupees profit. When I post that, because here I'm providing you the scanner with free of cost. One who made the profit by using the scanners, it's a credit to me, right? So, but while I'm posting the scanner, everyone asking how he did trade, but he did the trade based on his own view, right? But helping of with the help of that scanner. So for example, simple use of this scanner is at 9:30. You can focus the stocks, whatever the stocks which is in the top. So after that, if it is goes up above, if it is breaks the high, you can try to buy, and you can keep the day low as a stop loss. Let me go for a DLF and SRF yesterday, right? So DLF and SRF is happening yesterday. Let's look at the DLF. Let's look this. It's about perfect 45-degree. DLF, SRF. Some stocks may go down after it showing in the list, but if you see, if your risk and reward, you should plan. So here, if your first 15 minutes, if the stock doesn't available, even the first 15 minutes, maybe the stocks may come at this point or come at this point. At what time you are watching that list, after that, if the stock breaks the high, you can keep the stop loss below the candle low. Maybe the small risk, but you can see, for example, I didn't see this stock for DLF yesterday. Maybe it come around 10-15. If you are watching this stock as 10-15, you can buy over there and you can keep the stop loss below the level. Or even if you can see the stock around 12 o'clock, you can buy above that a high. You can keep the stop loss with a very small stop loss of that the candle low would be the best option. So you can use for an intraday, it's a bullish, and also you can see the stock which is in the list. maybe the same stock we can focus for a tomorrow also, because today it is a movement and bullish. So let's say a few days back, I think I seen Jindal Steel on this list. I think one video I made there, I find out this Jindal Steel, which is happening in this scanner about 45 degree. So let's check it out, Jindal Steel, what happened in Jindal Steel. So you can focus the stock for a tomorrow also. Let's look at this. Maybe I may be seen here, but here you can see, and this was the yesterday, and it's well good, performed well from 416 to 420, 418 to 432. It's a big move, right? So don't simply follow this stocks for a tomorrow also. Take a top 10 stocks from the list. You can just watch for these stocks for a tomorrow. So I do one thing. I can take the screenshot of today's list, and let me check what happened in this same stock of top 10 stocks, what will happen on tomorrow, because the stocks having good volume in buying side, so maybe the chances to continue the trend up also. And few days back we made profit in Tata Chemical. I think that is also same kind of stock, Tata Chemical. Let's look at this. Previous day I think it was moves higher, and after that it fallen down, no problem, but next day it moves huge. From there we bought around 1100 call option, which is giving me more than 35,000 rupees profit, but we booked around 13,000. It's good enough compared to my investment. So simply we can use the scanner. It's a more powerful and great scanner where you can use. So you can use only 3 stocks from the top, or 5 stocks, or 10 stock according to your ability you can use. And if you for intraday, just see at whatever the time frame you watch. Let's look at the top stocks, and anyone who breaks the high after that, but 5 minutes or 15 minutes candle, so you can use. If it is a big stop loss, you can ignore. So every time frame is doesn't matter, because here the quality and quantity of the trading of the stocks we are using the scanners. Sometimes the quantity may in the beginning it's a high quantity happening, right? But after 9:30, 9:45, or at 10 o'clock, if you're watching this list, you will be getting pure stocks which is keep on moving higher and higher. Because if the stock is going 45 degree, let's look at this. If it is going 45 degree stocks, where if you see at 9:30 it going up, if you see 10 o'clock that is going up, if you see 11, 12, whatever the time frame you are using, but it is keep on going up means what? So whatever the point where we see the stocks in this particular scanner, that will keep on going up. That is what the key concept on this particular scan. I think, I hope so. If you want to take intraday, simply 9:30 after you can watch this scan, and if you find any good stocks, if it is keep on going higher, or if you can try with that. Or if you want a positional trade, you can focus these stocks for a tomorrow. If it is keep on going up, you can buy options, even if it is bounce open low tomorrow. And this is the open low today, it is happening, may have the chances to good move on the day itself. And even that open low may continues for a tomorrow also, until the open low is broken. So we can use this scanner by intraday as well as positional. Both the way you can use this scanner. It is a very simple yet a powerful scanner. You can make use of the scanner that will helping you to make good profit on intraday and positional basis. I hope I cleared your doubts. So you can use the scanner after breaking the high, whatever the time frame you are taken. So maybe 15 minutes you can take, and positionally you can focus these same stocks for a tomorrow. That may works well. So that's about this 45 degree stock scanner. So make use of it, and keep supporting us, and join my Telegram channel, and subscribe my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe. And is there any other questions or a comment, you just comment, or you can contact through my WhatsApp or Telegram, that link which I provided in the description of this video. Thank you for watching this. That's about thank you for watching, and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.